Hello, everyone. This is Jennifer Salazar with the Better Business Bureau Education Foundation out of Houston, Texas. Thank you so much for joining us today. The BBB Education Foundation Scam of the Week for September 14th, 2020 is dun, 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 banking scams. We're going to give you the tips you need to know to keep your pocketbook safe. So let's get started. First, you need to be aware of counterfeit checks. The way the scam happens is you've won the lottery. You've won $1 million and you get a check in the mail and you can't wait to deposit that. Or a good friend of yours is moving and she needs you to put money in your bank account because she doesn't have a bank account yet. Upfront money for work. It's a sign-on bonus. If you promise that you're going to help us stuff envelopes, we're going to give you $500 up front to buy supplies and you can keep the rest for you. Or a government grant. Thank you so much for being a good citizen. Because you're a good citizen and you obey the law and have no tickets, we're going to send you $50. The way the scam is in play. You receive a check in the mail, like what we were just talking, either from a sweepstakes, a friend, work, or the government. Then you deposit it, because who's not going to go deposit $20,000, right? But then guess what? You're asked to wire funds because, like, for example, your friend that doesn't have the bank account yet, she does want you to wire some funds to her because she is in dire straits. And then the check bounces. Oh no, and guess what? You're responsible. Another way a scammer may get your money is online loans because they know a lot of us may have problems getting a loan through a bank. So what do? You receive an email to apply for a loan. You think it's a miracle because you really need the cash. And then you have to fill out an application with your personal information. But of course you got to give your personal information for $20,000, right? Then the scammer may even send money to your bank account. But these are the red flags that you need to watch out for. First off, you're automatically approved. That's right. The lender contacts you directly. No credit check. And automatically approved. Give me my $20,000. And they want you to act fast. They want to seal the deal as quickly as they can. And they ask for money up front. For example, $20,000. They're going to just give it to you, but as a good faith measure, they ask for $100 up front because that's the processing fees, right? And there's no physical address of the lender. So if you need a loan, don't get one from your email or social media or the internet. Go to the bank directly. See if there's some way that they can work a deal with you. But these are all big warning signs. And never give your Medicare number, your Social Security number, your driver's license number, your bank account number. Don't give any of those numbers out, especially online. Next, we're going to talk about phishing. And if you've watched Scam of the Week before, you know we always talk about phishing. And you know I'm spelling that correctly because it's not the kind of phishing I like to do on my weekends. This is when scammers send you an email and they're trying to load a virus to your computer. The way this works with the bank scam is you're going to receive an email message that they want you to verify a purchase. For example, you might think it's the fraud department to your credit card and somebody tried to charge a lot of money to your account. Or you have to add funds in order for your UPS or FedEx package to be delivered. And last, you have to deposit funds or your bank account will be closed because you have less than $20 in your bank account. And if you don't deposit it, they will shut it down. Whatever you do, don't panic. More than likely, all of these are a scam. Our last banking scam we're going to talk about today is fake charities and donation requests. Unfortunately, scammers play on our heartstrings and try to get us to donate money to those in need. But in fact, you're given to the scammer. So you need to watch out for scam emails that try to con you into donating to a fake charity or fundraiser. You need to watch out for common sounding names. For example, they like to take a real charity and misspell it and hope you might accidentally fall for it. If you do want to give to a charity, use the bbbgive.org. It's a wonderful website. It's give.org to verify a charity before making a donation. And also, the BBB Wise Giving Alliance suggests that donors consider giving to an experience relief organization. You don't want to give to an organization that opened up 3 days ago. You want to give to someone that's experienced and knows how to administer the funds. Also, be wary of GoFundMe requests. Make sure that you do know the person that does have the GoFundMe and that you can verify the cause is legitimate and not a scam. So let's review some safety tips to keep our pocketbook safe. First off, be cautious of big promises, big money, and little work. Never pay money to work. Remember, a job is to make money. You shouldn't have to give money to make money. Never give personal information online. Like I said before, don't give your Medicare number, your Social Security number, your bank account information, or even your driver's license number online. And remember, that Medicare number is worth at least $30,000. Avoid high pressure. If you want to make a decision, take your time. Nobody should pressure you in this day and age. If somebody's pressuring you to make a fast decision, more than likely it's definitely a scam. Do your research before signing a contract. If you don't understand the contract, don't be embarrassed. Contact a friend or a professional to review the contract with you. Check the company out. When in doubt, check it out. You now have a friend at the Better Business Bureau. You can contact me at any time and we can review the company to make sure they're legitimate. If you wish to report a fake check received by the mail, you can contact the United States Postal Service. We listed their link right there. And also their number is 1-877-876-2455. If you wish to report a counterfeit check, you can do so with the Federal Trade Commission. We also listed their link right there. And their toll-free number is 1-877-FTC-HELP. Or 1-877-382-4357. Thank you all so much again for joining me for Scam of the Week. My name is Jennifer Salazar. I'm also the Program Director of the Texas Senior Medicare Patrol. The Better Business Bureau Education Foundation in Houston, Texas has a Senior Medicare Patrol grant for the whole great state of Texas, all 254 counties. If you would like a presentation to your group, you can always give us a call. We're currently doing online presentations on Zoom, WebEx, or any platform that you need. If you need to report Medicare fraud, error, or abuse, please call us at 888-347-6187. If you need to speak to me directly, my direct number is 713-341-6187, or you can email me at jsalazar@bbbhou.org. Thank you all so much for joining today. Stay safe.